Yes, you're most welcome to this video. My name is Mavilo Lawrence and I welcome you again to this series of videos, the introduction to web designing using HTML, CSS and WordPress. So today I want us to discuss something that is a bit more interesting. I want us to discuss what are called the HTML links. Last time I discussed the HTML lists, and today I want us to discuss the HTML links. You know, usually a link is a connection between any two kind of people, any two kind of elements, any two kind of objects. So now I want us to see how we can create links on our web pages, links that really work. I'll start with maybe something like a list. Okay, I'll create a list here. Alright, maybe I want to link the word, maybe I want to link the word maybe visit us on to my website. So I want to visit us on our website. So what will I do? I'll simply do something that is a bit more interesting. I'll come and type the a tag. The a tag is usually a known tag for opening links. That a tag is the one for links, and you can simply come and say visit us. So that is simply how I open this tag, visit us. And if I come here and refresh, I'll have it here. However, this one is the a tag, but it won't have any functionality. Why? Because I've just used the a tag, just as any other tag, to say a tag, but it doesn't have any functionality. So the a tag opens the list, but it is not a functioning list. Now, how do I make it a little more functioning? I'll add an attribute called href. That href is the attribute that tells this link that I want you to link this word to this kind of address or this kind of link. So it is actually in the href kind of attribute that I put the address that I'm linking to. For example, I want to link visitors to my website, so I'll come in the href kind of tag after opening it, and I say maybe https, okay, something like that, maybe Lorry Computer Center, lorrycomputercenter.com, yeah, like that, and I'll immediately save. Then I can come now to my website and try to view it. You see, after giving it the href kind of attribute, it has even changed the way it displays. By default, HTML displays links in a purple-like kind of color, sometimes a blue, but usually underlined. And now if I come and click on it, you'll see that it will try to redirect to a different kind of platform, just that I have not connected my computer to the internet, but it will try to redirect to a different kind of website. And now there is some other attribute that I want to teach you. So basically that is how I open my link. But now there is this other attribute, the target attribute. This attribute is very nice, and me, I usually like using the blank. The target attribute tells basically this link where to open from, in which tab. And now me, when I'm designing links, I usually want to talk about the target kind of thing, but I usually want to use blank, such that when I click on my link, maybe here, it will open in a new tab. If you put that attribute of target blank, for example, if you can try to see, before we put this attribute of target blank, before we put it here, let me try to just remove it, such that we can be on the same page. Okay, so if it is not there and I try to click on my link, it will open from the same tab. It will just redirect from the same tab. But now if I come and type this and I put target blank in my kind of thing, I click on it, it will rather redirect to a different tab and leaving this one here in my kind of browser. So the target blank is sometimes very nice to use, such that your links, when clicked on, they redirect to the websites that you want, but redirecting using or opening a new kind of tab. So that is basically about the HTML links. However, now there's some other thing that I want us to discuss more about links that is a bit trending these days. That is how to insert social media links, or how to create social media links. For example, I'll try to create a list here. Maybe let me have maybe another list, and also style. Okay, I'll put the style here. This list. Okay, this type. It's just here. Then I'll say maybe none. Yeah, I don't want my list to have any kind of styles. Alright, so I'll come here immediately and I start typing list. Okay, I'll type list and I say maybe, okay, maybe I want to have the Facebook. Then I want to have maybe I'll say maybe LinkedIn. Okay, and then I've not put the list because I'm going to cut and show you. And maybe I want to put also for Twitter. Okay, my Twitter. The same way we do these is the same way you do for Instagram, you do for YouTube, you do for any other kind of channel. Maybe for WhatsApp it is a bit different, for Gmail is a bit different, but I'll try to take you through those two that are a bit different. So if you want to create a link, maybe you want to have this word Facebook such that when it is clicked on, it takes this kind of client to your Facebook kind of page. So you simply come and put in your link, I'll put my a tag. Yeah, I'll put my a tag and I'll paste the word Facebook in between the a tag. But we said to give our link functionality, you must put this href kind of tag. Yeah, it's a href. Okay, I'll have maybe the HTTPs. Yeah, that one. I say Facebook, maybe mfacebook.com. Then I'll put a slash and put my specific page. Okay, maybe I'll say Lorry Computers as my specific page. Yeah, Lorry Computers, like that. Then I'll also open the target and I'll select it be target blank. Alright, so I have that for my Facebook. And you see, if I try to refresh, of course I'll have Facebook as a link, and when clicked on it will try to redirect to mfacebook.com, Lorry Computers. So I'm just trying to give you these as dummies. This mFacebook is okay. Or you put the official Facebook link and then you put a slash and you put your username or the name of your page that you want it to redirect to. Yeah, sometimes you can just copy this from your Facebook page and you place them there, such that when users click on that word Facebook, it will take them to your Facebook page. They try to see whatever is there. These kind of activities become a little engaging. Yeah, they engage your clients and they make their user experience on your website quite interesting. Now maybe I'll come and have for LinkedIn. You see, what matters in this kind of websites, what matters is not so important. What matters is knowing the link. It is simply knowing the link to the website or to that kind of social media platform that you want. Maybe I want LinkedIn. Okay, I'll simply come and say maybe it's then it is linkedin.com. linkedin.com. Yeah, suppose it is that. Then I type that, and maybe if I want this one for Twitter, yeah, if I want one for Twitter, okay, no, I'll simply have that. Yeah, I just want one for Twitter, so I'll have that. Then I'll come and say www.html like Twitter. Yeah, twitter.com. Usually Twitter handles start with @ so you put @ maybe Lorry Computer Centers. Then here I'll come and say Twitter. So simply that is how you write. And if you come to this, simply whoever clicks on that, it will be redirecting you to that kind of web page. Maybe LinkedIn, maybe Twitter, it will be redirecting you to that kind of this specific page. If you just leave it at www.twitter.com, of course it will be redirecting to the Twitter home page kind of, so that maybe it prompts them to maybe sign in, or if they have Twitter in their phones, or if they have been using Twitter in their phones, it will simply be redirecting them to their Twitter accounts. However, if you simply put your page, it will be providing them, it will be directing them to your page so that they can immediately communicate to you without necessarily having to search or whatever. That is about YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, maybe Twitter, maybe your Instagram, and any other kind of social media platform that you may wish to use. Now, I wish to dive deeper into maybe this kind of thing here. Okay, maybe this kind of thing, this kind of man here that we call WhatsApp. Okay, I'll start with a Gmail. I want to link to my Gmail. Okay, I want to link to my Gmail, so I'll simply open the same thing just as I've done there. Still I'll have the href kind of attribute, and I'll again put, however this time around I don't start with the https and whatever. This time around I just say mail to, like that. I say mail to, I put my full colon, and then I put my email address, the glory computer center.com. okay, maybe 123 at gmail.com. yeah, then I can come here and say target. Yeah, target, my target is blank. Still we know now target blank what it does. So if I come and open this, if I try to have this, yeah, of course it will be showing me Gmail. However, this time around when I try to refresh, it will be asking me, how do you want to open this? Which app do you want to use when you are dealing with mails? Do you want to use Google Chrome, Outlook, Microsoft, or whatever? Because this time around it is not redirecting to simply a website, but it is going to open for you the compose kind of window on your Gmail, such that you compose the mail, and it will even automatically fill where you have the send or the to kind of filled in the Gmail form. It will fill it with this email, my email, such that it sends automatically, or you send the mail automatically to my email that I've put there. This is what I'm meaning, that if I click on such a button, it will open for me my web client, my email client. For example, if I'm using Gmail app, or if I'm using maybe Outlook or whatever, it will open for me that kind of it will open for me the client, the email client. Then it will automatically fill where I have from. It will automatically fill your email, you the user, and then where I have to, it will fill in this email, loricomputercenter123@gmail.com, because I've put it here in the mail to, and I'm the recipient now. I've dictated it in the code. That is about Gmail. Now I want to discuss also about WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp is sometimes a bit different, because you realize someone has to contact you. It must link to your WhatsApp such that someone sends you that number. Now here still what you do, you come to the href here as an attribute, but now here you come and put the https. Alright, the https. Yeah, but this time we say wa for WhatsApp .me. Yeah, that is the one for WhatsApp. Okay, wa.me. Then I put a slash. I can even go ahead to put my phone number. However, you should note, when you're writing these phone numbers, try so much to start with a country code. For example, if I'm in Uganda, I'll say 256-773-733-115. Yeah, such that now when I try to do this, okay, maybe let me try to refresh and I see WhatsApp. When I click on it, still it won't redirect. It will be redirecting me to whatsapp.me, this kind of thing. And now if I have already if I'm using a phone, you realize that it won't even take you to that kind of browser, but rather what will happen, it will immediately open your WhatsApp, and even open for you a chat. It will even open for you a chat with that. It will open for you a chat with that kind of phone number that I've put here. That is for WhatsApp. Then one other last link that I want to talk about is the link that maybe I can link a phone number, or I put a phone number on my website, such that when it is clicked on, it automatically opens in the phone's dialer for someone to simply call me. Or I can simply put a word that call us, such that when someone clicks on that call us, it automatically opens the phone's dialer, and then the phone's dialer, and it puts my phone number in there. So how do I simply do that? That one is also very easy. I'll simply use a different kind of attribute, just as we have seen for WhatsApp. Now this is what is going to happen. I'll simply come and put my link still, okay, my list. Then I put a link here. I come and put a link here. Yeah, I put a link there. Then I'll be like, call us. Tell this person to call us. Then I simply come and say href. But now instead of saying maybe www, I'll simply say tell. Yeah, like that. I simply say tell. Still I put my full colon, and now I write my phone number, but with a country code. That one is also very easy, very key to note. 256 773 733. Okay, I'll say 733 Then I simply save. Yeah, you can say target blank or whatever, but may not be necessary because it is still going to open in the dialer. And you say save. Yeah, now when you come to this, the link will automatically be there, and when I click on it, it will tell me open, pick an app. What wants to open this application. You understand? So it will be asking me to choose an opening app, or the app I should use to open this, because the computers don't have those kind of dialers. However, if you're using a phone, you can try it. If you're using a phone, it will simply, or it will immediately redirect this person to a dialer and even display that phone number for you. Right, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, follow, subscribe and comment. You can even share with your colleagues and your neighbors. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to you. May you stay blessed.